Most people invest in crypto projects without even knowing what is in the smart contract. And then when things go wrong, they start screaming scam. But what if I told you that you can actually spot some red flags before you lose a dime? In this video, I'll show you how to read smart contracts even if you've never written a line of code. And also toward the end of this video, I'm going to be talking about some Ponzi scheme platforms that call themselves smart contract investments that a lot of people do fall for it because of the name smart contracts. But before that, I'm going to be showing you 3 things that will save you from rug pulls, honeypots, and fake tokens. Step 1. Always ensure that the smart contract is being verified on the blockchain explorer. If it is on Ethereum, it's Etherscan. For BAC, BAC scan, and for Solana, Sol scan. A verified contract means the project uploaded their source code for everyone to see. And if it is not verified, it's a red flag. Think of it like someone asking you for your own money but refuses to show you their ID. All you need to do is click Smart Contract tab, look for green check mark that says verified. If it's not there, you have to exit immediately. The next thing you want to do is to read the functions. Don't panic, it's very simple. Now this part sounds scary. Read the code, relax, you are not hacking NSA. You just need to recognize common functions. In the contract, search for things like mint, which means can create new tokens, burn, which means can destroy tokens, pause, which means can freeze or can even stop trading. If you see functions like owner or only owner, it means someone, usually the developer, can still control that particular contract. That is fine for early projects, but it's very dangerous if it is meant to be fully decentralized. Step 3, you check tokenomics from the contract. Now let's check how tokens actually behaves. Go under the read contract, tap and look for total supply. How many tokens exist? Decimals is usually 18. Balance of shows who owes what. You can even paste a wallet address to see holdings. That is how you find out when just one wallet holds up to 80% of the token's supply. And if you see that run or healthy projects have balanced token distributions or locked liquidity. And if one wallet controls everything, it simply means there is tendency of dumping everything on you at any time. And that is how rug pulls happens. You can actually use some free tools to simplify your research, which simply means you don't have to do this manually every time. So we have so many free tools that summarizes smart contracts for you. So you can actually try Go Plus Security, Quick Security Scan, Token Sniffer. This shows contract risk score, while DeFi Scanner gives you detailed audit. These tools highlight risky functions like unlimited mint or transfer ownership. Think of them like crypto antivirus. But you don't have to depend entirely on them. They can also miss out some necessary information. Always ensure to double check the basics yourself. So I have a particular framework called the Quick Safety Framework, and this is what I personally use before I think of investing in any token. Verify it. You have to ensure that the code is open source. Scan it. You have to use Go Plus or Token Sniffer. Spot control, you have to look for owner or mint power. 3. If a project fails any of these 3, I'm out. No emotions, no FOMO. Because smart contracts don't lie, humans do. So that is how to read smart contracts even if you are not a coder. It's not about becoming a developer, it's about becoming a smart investor. Aside from all these 3 factors, there is more to this, because there is possibility that a particular token might check all the boxes and still end up being maybe a failed project at the end of the day. And the reason might not be because the people behind it intended it to end up that way. It could just be because they have a very small community. Community matters a lot when it comes to a token performing well. And then the last one on my list. So why I'm calling it the last one on my list is because we have several other criteria, right? So it's actually founders. So the people founding a particular crypto project matters a lot. So let's say maybe just a nobody wake up and then is coming up with a particular crypto project and no one knows about the founder, no one knows maybe if the founder have had series of successful projects in the past. I mean, if no one knows you and then you are coming up with a crypto project, there are high chances that, I mean, people are not going to be confident enough to maybe invest in that project because they are afraid. And in fact, if they want to invest in it, the project might end up being a pump and dump project because, first of all, people don't trust you because they don't know you, and for them to maybe risk their money by investing in the cryptocurrency, they just want to cash out and not to invest for the long term. So let's say, for instance, maybe someone like CZ, who has had a reasonable reputation in the cryptocurrency space, is maybe part of a particular crypto project, maybe is founding a new coin, or maybe someone like Elon Musk, someone like, I almost say someone like Trump, but I mean, Trump has lost, we have lost confidence in Trump based on the recent, I don't want to go there, but the recent crypto he launched, the Trump coin, as well as the one he promoted for his wife, which is, I would say, nowhere to be found, right? But if people with good reputation comes up today and then they want to come up with a particular crypto project, there are high chances that people are going to invest, not just invest for the short term, but they are going to invest for the long term, knowing too well that the people involved, the people backing it, are people of high reputation, and because of that, they are definitely going to hold. Because sometimes just a nobody creating a particular crypto token, the person behind it might not have the intention to maybe rug pull, but the fact that people do not have confidence in him might make people treat the coin as a pump and dump. And when people don't have sort of a confidence on a particular project, there are high chances that the project will not do well, even if the founding members meant it to do well, right? So with these few criteria, I believe you will be able to make informed decisions when choosing a particular cryptocurrency to trade, or maybe a particular cryptocurrency to maybe invest for the short term, mid-term, or maybe long term. So now, just as I promised earlier on at the beginning of this video, that I'm going to be addressing some investment platform that call themselves smart contracts, right? They use the word smart contracts to lure gullible and naive traders that just want to make maybe quick money online, and they use the name smart contracts, they use the name blockchain technology to scam people on investment platforms, right? So before I start talking about this, I want you to always take note of this. Anytime you come across any investment platform, mark the word any investment platform, no matter who is promoting it, and then they promise you as much or as high as over 10% profit. There are so many platforms that promise as much as 1% daily, which is up to 30% in a month. Some promise up to 50 to 100%. Some will say you are going to be making 3% daily, and in 1 month you are going to be able to make 100% or so, right? Anytime you come across any platform, no matter whatever it is they are promising you, they say this platform is an energy platform, they make money from this platform is agriculture, they make money from this platform is an e-commerce platform, they make money from this, and they promise you a fixed return on investments. Run. What did I say? Run, right? So my reasons for saying this is, do we have platforms? Okay, let's use bank as an example. Do you know how much bank make from the money you give for them to save for you on a monthly basis? They make a lot of money, and there are also chances that they also used to lose this money, maybe trying to loan people, trying to use the money for business, trying to use the money to trade the financial market, right? And in most cases, let's just say banks are mostly profitable with our money that is with them. Okay, they are usually profitable, but at the end of the year, they give you an annual interest of not more than 20% in a year, right? Bank barely give you up to 20%. right? Let's say maybe fixed deposit, which I don't really know how much they used to give on that, but I doubt if it exceeds 20% in a year, right? That is a fixed return on investment, but is it high? No. And if you want to split maybe 20%, let's say it is as much as 20%. If you want to split 20% in 12 months, you are going to realize that 20% in 12 months is not even up to 2% in a month, right? Are banks profitable? Of course. Do they have a reliable means of maybe multiplying or maybe making more money off the money people are saving in the bank? Of course. Are they established? Of course. But you see some platforms that you've never heard of them before, and someone will come and tell you this platform has been in existence for the past 6 years, right? And if you want to check, this is just Ponzi scheme. And what is Ponzi scheme? Ponzi scheme is using the money of later investors to pay earlier investors, right? They rob Peter to pay Paul. So at the end of the day, even if they don't have the intention of maybe closing down or maybe zooming off with your money, when they are short of new signups, that is usually, they are short of new signups, and they also want to take profits, because in as much as they are paying you, what they are basically paying you is the money of newcomers. When it comes to a point that they have peaked, like they have gotten to a point where not too many people are signing up, not too many gullible people are joining the platform, and they also have to make money, right? So sometimes they might open the platform not because they want to scam, they just want to run a scheme that, they have money flowing in and out, and they're also taking some money from the platform. People are joining and they are using the money of people joining today and paying for people who joined yesterday, and the system keeps maybe growing, right? But on the inside, right, people at the back end, they know what is going on. But you over here, you are cashing out. You are cashing out for 3 months, 6 months, and you are referring your family and friends to it. And then in fact, some people do go as far as convincing people, say, if this platform folds up, I promise I'm going to refund you. Like, you see the confidence. The confidence is coming from the fact that they have been paid for 3 months, they've been paid for 6 months, they have been paid for even up to a year. So because they have been cashing out on this platform for a couple of months, they now have the confidence to, risk telling their friends that if this platform crashes, I'm actually going to refund you. They are doing this just to get referral bonuses and all. So I'm saying this to say that there is no platform on earth that promises you a fixed return on investment that is higher than maybe 10% to 20% on a monthly basis, fixed monthly return that will not crash. You can take this to the bank and you can name any platform that you have come across that has lasted for the past 7 years and is still paying people up to 20% on a monthly basis. Whatever it is they are doing. Is crypto trading profitable? Of course it is profitable. Is trading maybe the forex market profitable? Of course. Can someone make up to 100% in a month? Definitely. Someone can even make up to 500% in a day. But the truth is, when it comes to the financial markets trading, when it comes to any business, it's not always rosy. So the fact that a platform is promising you a fixed return on investments because they claim they are making money from whatever it is they are doing at the back end does not mean that they are not going to have moments where maybe they are losing money. So if they are losing money, where are they getting the fixed return on investments to give to their gullible investors? So with this, I've been able to convince you that no platform promising you a fixed return on investment will stand a test of time. Right. So now let's talk about platforms that say this is a smart contract and this is built on the blockchain. Once created, it cannot be tampered. Who created the blockchain? Human being, right? Who created the code to whatever platform they are calling smart contract? Human being, right? So if everything is automated, everything is on the blockchain, it is a smart contract, it is this, it is that, that doesn't mean that those things cannot be tampered with, right? It can be tampered with. And the fact that they are calling it blockchain does not mean that they cannot stop it, right? Any project can be killed. any code can be rewritten, or maybe you can just write something else that will counter whatever it is that was written, right? So the fact that maybe on a daily basis you are getting your returns into your wallet automatically does not mean that that is how it's always going to be. Do not allow any platform to use the word smart contract. This is a smart contract investment. It is built on the blockchain. Everything is automated. Don't allow people to use that to lure you into investing your hard-earned money. I mean, if you just like investing in Ponzi scheme, that is fine. That is your own money. But you should play safe, because there are some people that have vowed they will never stop investing in Ponzi schemes, right? And I'm not saying that investing in Ponzi scheme is 100% bad. What is bad is you being too comfortable and becoming greedy. As you are making more money, you are like, I wish I invested more. And now you reinvest every single thing that you have. I mean, all the profits you've made, you start convincing people, and you start, bringing in more money without maybe taking any profit. At the end of the day, you go cry. Waiting no good, right? So that being said, don't allow anyone to use the word smart contract to lure you into any form of investment. These platforms are Ponzi schemes, pure Ponzi scheme. No matter who is promoting it, even if tomorrow you see me promoting any platform that promises a fixed return on investment, that does not mean that because I am the one promoting it that you should invest. Okay? If you should try such a thing, you have to make sure that you've done your due diligence, and you have to understand that you are taking risks, and you have to understand that you should risk what you can afford to lose. If you want to go all in because it is paying, if you want to go all in because of the person promoting it, at the end of the day, you are going to be the one to be hurt. And if you want to maybe also refer your friends because of referral bonus, and you are risking, telling them that if this thing goes south, I'm actually going to refund you, I'm actually going to repay you. You are just setting yourself up, because once the thing crashes, you are going to be broke. And the fact that you promised someone that if it crashes, you are going to repay them, you too will find a way to repay the person, which is going to be a very bad moment for you. So very that man like saying, don't play, else you're gonna learn, and you will learn the hard way, right? So if you're interested in making money from crypto, maybe via airdrop, via trading, whatsoever, or you're interested in crypto jobs, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, and also do well to share your experience in the comments below while trying to invest in these platforms they call smart contracts built on the blockchain and all that. Any platform that do promise a fixed return on investment, how did it turn out? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.